In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize notes in Evernote. First, open Evernote in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, take a quick look at the layout. The left sidebar is where you'll find the main navigation, including your notes, notebooks, and shortcuts. So this is where most of your organizing will happen. To create a note, click New Note in the left sidebar. A fresh note will open, ready for you to start working. Begin by entering a title for your note. Using a clear, specific title will make it much easier to find later, especially as your note collection grows. Next, click inside the note body and start typing. This is where you can add your main content, whether it's ideas, meeting notes, plans, or reminders. Keep your writing simple and structured so it's easier to review later. If you want to add more than just plain text, click the Insert button with the plus symbol. From there, you can insert tasks, tables, attachments, dividers, and other useful elements. This is especially helpful when you want your note to be more interactive or visually organized. As you write, you can highlight any text to bring up formatting options. This allows you to apply headings, change font styles, or create bulleted and numbered lists. Formatting is a great way to break up information and make your notes easier to scan. To keep everything organized, click Notebooks in the left sidebar. You can create a new notebook or move notes into existing notebooks so related content stays together. For even better organization, add tags to your notes. Tags make it easier to search for related information across different notebooks. Finally, if there are notes or notebooks you use often, add them to shortcuts. That way, they'll appear at the top of your sidebar for faster access whenever you need them.